Hello everyone, today's dessert will be keto chocolate chip cake. It's quick and easy and so delicious. So if you're ready, let's get microwaving. In a medium bowl, I have 2 eggs and I'm going to add in some vanilla extract. And then I'm just going to give it a quick whisk to combine, breaking up the eggs. And then I'm going to add in some melted butter along with some sweeteners and then some almond flour. And then here I have baking soda and baking powder. And then some ground cinnamon. And then just a pinch of salt. Gonna give that a good mix to combine everything well. This will take a minute or two. And then I'm going to add in some Lily's chocolate chips. And then just give it a quick mix to combine everything well. This batter is on the liquidy side. With 2 small ceramic bowls or mugs, I'm going to spray some olive oil on both of them. And then I'm just going to divide the batters into half and pour it onto each of them. And then you'll want to microwave it for 1 minute and 30 seconds per cake. Here is the end results of the keto chocolate chip cakes. I hope you will give this a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will get my latest videos. Bye!